Finding a quality plumber is an important decision and something that should not be taken lightly. If you're like most people, you have concerns and questions that you'd like answered before choosing a plumber. And we want to help by giving you the free report and checklist titled, How to Find the Right Plumber. This report provides a list of questions you should ask, and it contains a checklist to help you make the best decision possible. This guide is truly a must-have for anyone needing the services of a quality and reliable plumber. To get your free report, simply complete the form on this page and download it now.